Welcome to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this AMT 67 Chevelle Pro Street. This should be pretty cool. This kit was sent to me by a real nice guy named Chad. And I'll tell you what, I want to make this thing perfect for him. Just an honor. Awesome. I am not an AMT guy. I haven't really done much with them, and to be honest with you, I'm kind of curious to see what's going to be in this box. Right off the rip, let's open this up. I'm like a kid in a candy store, man. I'm not kidding. Let's see what we got for chrome here. Sitting right on top, like Christmas. Look at this. That old Chevelle. Check the bag. Always check your bag. Make sure there's nothing came off the sprue. I bet you if you put those two bumpers on a scale, they'd weigh 150, 200 pounds apiece. Neat rims. Chrome molding. A chrome fan. That'll hit the simple green. The chrome alternator is going to hit the simple green too. Nice looking heads. This chrome looks pretty decent. Oh, the vents on the hood. A little bit of flash on that stick shift. We can knock that down quick, fast, and in a hurry and make this nice. Looks like we got a big old hard carburetor on there. Air cleaner, rear view mirror, high riser. High riser base. This will go on top for the carb. And then we got, what do we have here? Oh, these look like, I'm not sure. We'll have to see. These look like for the headlights. Drag bars, tack. Nice. Look at the chrome springs. Those will end up in the water. We'll put dual carbs for the top. Okay. I'm seeing it. This goes on top, and then the dual carbs go on and feeds both of them. We're going to put this in simple green. I might even put these drag bars in simple green and detail them up the same color as the car, maybe just a flat black. All right, nice. Okay, AMT is starting to impress me here. Glass, two pieces, headlights. That's right, there were 4 headlights in the 67. Don't have to paint the taillights because they're already. I bet you we can chrome those up with the our silver pen and make them look really good too. I'm not going to cut them out of the bag just because I don't want to scratch the glass. Look at the rubber. Oh, we are opening this up because I want to play. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. 2 different. We got slicks and street racers. Nice. Look at this. This is already... These don't even need sanded down. I can just dust them with a little bit of pastel chalk. I think I might have to put the Goodyears on there, though. Goodyear slicks on these chromies. Yeah, that's sharp. That is going to be really sharp. All right, what do we got for fronts? Fronts, we got a no name. This side's highlighted. We might be able to do a ring on there, maybe a blue or a red, white ring, maybe? No, probably not. Nice looking tires though. 2 choices in the back, singlies in the front. Next one out is the body and frame. This is molded in an off-white, and I kind of like that because in my fluorescent world down here, look at these. Oh, that's tight. Let's do the underside first. Push this out to the side. I am telling you, textured. Got a couple of pin marks in here, but I bet you any money the seats are going to cover those up. Smoothies on the inside of the wheel. Nice looking frame. Look at parking brake. Coming down with the brake lines, the fuel line. Nice. Do a little bit of dry brush. I'm going to do a video on dry brush just because I got this kit and I can. There is zero flash on this at all. I got a little bump right there. Look at that. That's it. Watch this. Ready? On 3. Gone. Hit that with a quick sander. Man. AMT is looking pretty good here. Nice Chevelle body. 67 body. Those big old bumpers. Ooh, good detail on the logos. Same with the Chevy up front. Molded in windshield wipers. We can work with that. We can do some chroming around the windows. Vent windows there. I don't think we have vent window glass, do we? Oh, it's wraparound. There we go. So that'll wrap around and you'll have the vents too. So we'll do nice with that. Molded in handles, key, big old trunk. Nice. It even says remove. Not bad. Interior, the visors are molded in. A couple of pin marks in here that we can sand out and you'll never notice. Do something there with that. We're going to paint this black anyhow with accent. And all that'll be gone. I am getting impressed. I mean, really impressed. Next, big old honking bag. A lot of plastic in here. Very cool. I'm going to slide the bag clean out. Always check your bag. Make sure that nothing came off the sprue in there before you chuck it. Hood scoop. Okay. Nice engine. Transmission. Distributor. Hoses. Hood springs. Rocker arms in there. Boy, I tell you what, I would love to build one with the valve cover off and the rocker detail these out, have like the valve cover sitting on a table next to it where they're working on it. I even have the little guy wrenching. This might happen. Nice hood. Easy to cut that out. We could stipple our detail like I did in my last video. Speaking of videos, if you like what you see here, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It really helps. Subscribe if you'd like. Ring the bell if you want. Now you'll get notifications of my next ones. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. I hope you guys like them. Look at the brakes. Nice detail in that water pump assembly. Battery box. Not a clue. Oh, that's a windshield washer maybe? An overflow. Nice looking starter. Heater core. A-frames. This is looking really nice. Suspension. 2 pins. Spindles. Looks like this might. Nah, probably not. If it does, I'm going to still glue it in place. Hefty springs. Looking good. I'm telling you, I'm starting to get sold. Nice. Look at that big old dash. Jeepers, man. Steering wheel. 3 pedals. Vent. Backs. Where the back seat would go, a nice Chevrolet. We're going to do something cool with this. Not sure what yet, but something cool is going to happen there. Kind of detailless door panels, but you know what? It's got some cool lines in here. We might spray that like it's sheet metal even. Windows, latches. Nah, we're going to do something cool with the interior. I think this might be the car that I do a different color interior on. Look at here. I have not made a model with a roll cage in it in 50 years. This is cool. Oh, parachute. You know what? We can even tie off and run the line back in. Nice headers, cherry bombs. I don't know if that's cherry bombs or not. I'm just talking. Nice flats, pin hookups so they go together. pinned to receivers, so they'll help line them up because these fimbly fingers. And cool looking seats. Seat belts are already in there. We'll do something neat with them. I wish my seats in my car were like that. That's sharp. Really cool, guys. I'm telling you, this is going to be a blast. I cannot thank enough sending me this. This is over the top. He's just a nice guy. I mean, he just sent this to me to be nice and see what I can do. So I will definitely do it up right for him. Let's see what we got for decal sheet. Oh, nice. Look, I love getting different license plates. Nice. 3-color pinstripe. They didn't even show pinstripe on the door or on the kit. Gauges. It even tells you gauges, in case you couldn't tell. I'm telling you, I've always shied away from AMT, and I don't know why. I shouldn't. This is very detailed. Nice. Cool. You know what? I can read that. I can. High riser. Do it twice. Distributor. We're going to wire this thing up. Alternator in. Look at this. Nice detail. I am over the top. Well, guys, that's everything in the box. I hope you're excited as I am to make this thing happen. This is like third kit out right now, but it's going to happen. Watch for the video on how I make it, and you can laugh at all my mistakes. Anyhow, I am Mark. This is Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. You guys have a great weekend, and thanks for watching.